In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Canon MAXIFY MB2720 with your iPhone, how to print, and also how to get the scan results directly on your iPhone. This also works with an iPad, so let's get started. The first step is to go over here on the screen because we need to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. So here all we have to do is to swipe until you see LAN settings on the top right corner. Click on it and then select wireless LAN setup. Select standard setup. Wait. Search for your Wi-Fi network in this list. You can swipe up and down. My Wi-Fi network is this one, so I'll click on it. And now it's time to enter the password. Tap in the middle of the screen and now type the password. You can also have access to numbers and capital letters by clicking on this button over here. Once the password is entered, press OK. OK again. You're going to get the confirmation that it has been connected to your wireless router. Press OK. On your iPhone, you need to go on the App Store and download the Canon Print app. This one over here, made by Canon. Once you downloaded the app, open. The main page of the app should look like this one. Press search. If you don't see the search button, you can click on add switch. That is right over here. Wait a few seconds. You'll get the green check mark. And now you can close this window by clicking the X button on the top right corner. Your printer has been added. You can see it on the top of the app. You can click on it, and from here you're going to have some different settings that you may or may not use. The most important one is the printer information. You're going to get how much ink is remaining in the printer without you having to look on the small display that is on your printer. So you can do this from your desk. Now, if you want to print or if you want to scan, everything can be done from this app. If you want to print a document, press document. If you want to print a picture that is on your iPhone, click photo print. I'll print a document, so I'll click here. Then you have to select where is your document currently located. So is it in your documents, in your files of your iPhone? Is it in the photo camera roll? Or is it on a cloud service like Dropbox, iCloud, stuff like that? This is the document I want to print. So once you see it, press next. Here, press no. And you're going to have the settings of your print. Look at them, make sure they're okay with you. So the paper size, the paper type. So do you print on glossy paper or plain paper, stuff like that. If you want to change any of these things that you see, press on the top option there, and you'll be able to go through them and change them. By the way, here you see two-sided. If you want to print on both sides of the paper, you're going to need to click here and select two-sided, either long edge or short edge. Once you're done, there's the blueprint button. You just need to click it once. Click OK and wait. This is where the print will come out, so you can extend this tray. And here we go, we got our print results. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your phone. To scan, let's open the scanner lid. Put your finger there and lift the cover. Take the document you want to scan. Could be a picture or a document with text. Put it facing down with the top part, okay, this is the top part of my page, you see, on the left side. Then we need to bring this sheet of paper until the corner of the paper touches the corner of your scanner, that is the top left one. So bring them until both here are touching. Close the lid. On the app itself, you have the scan option right there. So click on scan. Again, you're going to have different settings, so you can click on change settings if you want to change them. Once you're ready to scan, press the scan button and wait. This is the scan result. If you want to scan more pages, load the next one and press scan. But this printer has an automatic document feeder where You can scan multiple pages at the same time. Let me show you in just a few seconds. For now, I'll just show you how to save this. So press exit. You'll get the result here. And from here, you see on the lower left side, you get a small icon, a square with an arrow. Press on it. And now it will ask you, do you want to save it in JPEG or PDF? Let's say I want a PDF, I'll click. And now you'll be able to share it with your contacts. Also share it on social media or different apps that you have installed on your phone. And finally, if you go down, you'll be able to click Save to Files, which means that it will save on the memory of your iPhone for future usage. So you have all these options. If you want to use the top document feeder, let me show you. I'll take this page. Let's say you have a document with multiple pages, let's say 20, 25, and you don't want to put them one by one over here. Align them, open this top document feeder. You see there's some plastic glides you can open up. Put your document with whatever is that you want to scan facing up with the top part of the page towards the left side. Glide it. You're going to hear a beep telling you it has recognized. And now if I go in the scan app, and I'm going to scan this document, press scan, you'll see the printer will take one by one each page. You don't have to touch anything and it will scan them. So, you know, if you have 20 pages, you're going to save a lot of time with this automatic document feeder instead of using a typical scanner. Okay, here we go. It has scanned, and let's check on the phone itself. I have page 1 out of 2 and I have page 2 out of 2. Again, you can have many of them. And yeah, same thing, click over here if you want to save it on your phone or share it. So this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon affiliate links if you want to get ink for this nice printer, and I'll see you in the next video.